Welcome to Strong Hope, the newest exclusive to Realtors Limited portfolio. This stunning luxury plantation home is a one-of-a-kind purchase for buyers looking to own a grand estate. It is perfect for large families, corporate executives, and investors looking to unlock the potential that this property holds.
This beautiful estate sits on 14.5 acres of lush, mature gardens. From the time you enter, with the royal palm line driveway that leads you up to the main house, you pass the tennis courts and football fields. This property has 11 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms split between the main house, business swing, and 2 cottages.
Come with us as we explore this wonderful estate. The main house has 4 expansive bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, featuring a top-of-the-line chef's kitchen, water features, custom swimming pool, and private gym. This space is the perfect turnkey option for any buyer.
As we enter the northern wing of the property, we have the office area, which is beautifully finished to create a space perfect for the offshore business or medical center. The largest of the 2 cottages is known as the barn. This offers 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. This space has its own driveway, private pool, and direct access to the tennis courts.
Behind us is the commercial section of the property, which has a large parking area, 8-car garage, professional kitchen, laundry, and office space. Just some extra features that make Strong Hope such a special property.
For those looking for a truly unique luxury home in Barbados, look no further. We invite you to contact our team at Realtors Limited to schedule your viewing and experience the essence of Strong Hope for yourself.